Well, hello, U.S. history students. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick way to make sure that you are able to access all of your assignments within Google Classroom. In addition to that, I want to make sure that you guys understand how you can submit your assignments once you have completed them. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is what happens when you actually go into Google Classroom. So once you are in Google Classroom, the first thing that you should see is the stream, which is highlighted here. If you are on a mobile device, the tabs that say stream, classwork, and people may be at the bottom of your screen. You should have a heading here that tells you which class you are in. And so for this particular class, you are in U.S. History 1. And so on the stream, as you scroll down, it gives you some updates. It gives you a brief summary of some of the assignments that have been posted. In addition to this, you can see posts that have been posted by your teacher. Stream is a really great place to find updates from your teacher. Unfortunately, it is not a great place to check to make sure that you have completed all of your assignments. The best place for you to go to make sure that you have seen and completed all of your assignments is to click on classwork. So that's what we're going to do right now. When you go into classwork, you will see a load of assignments that have been put into Google Classroom for you to complete. We are only going to focus on fourth quarter because that's what we're in right now. What you're going to be doing is looking at the topics. So you can also see the different topics here. And since we're doing distance learning for fourth quarter, we're going to be looking at fourth quarter. Under the different topics or headings, what you should see are the different assignments that were posted for that particular topic. So for instance, for week 2, you have these 3 different assignments here. You can also see here on the right, the dates that these assignments were due. For the sake of this video, we're going to focus on week 1 since week 1 is already done. Let's say I wanted to do this assignment right here, which says the Civil War, North versus South, economy. I know these are the video notes. When I click it, you'll see a few things. Again, this is the title of the assignment. It tells you when I posted this assignment, which was on April 16th. And then it has the due date and time. So this was due on April 20th at 5 p.m. What will also happen is that if you have missed the deadline to submit, right here in the corner, it will say missing. If it's not due yet, it will say assigned. If you have finished it, it will say turned in. So those are the 3 options that you will usually see right here, either assigned, turned in, or missing. So again, once you click on that assignment, you will also see the instructions for that assignment and then whatever attachments you need in order to complete the assignment. So for this particular assignment, you had to watch a video, and you could have watched the video by clicking here. And then also while you were watching the video, you had to complete some notes. And so you could do the notes in this Google Doc. It is so important that when you go to submit your work, that you click on the assignment that says your name in the title. So I'm going to click on that. And it's going to take me to the document that we're going to use to fill in our notes. So the first thing that we had to do was the vocabulary. The directions said to type the definitions for each of the following terms. So let's say I'm going to type that in, and I would continue and write the rest of the definitions for the rest of these key terms. Right here, what you would do is fill in each box. And then once you are done filling in every box, the next thing that I would do is click this button right here that says turn in. But before we hit turn in, I'm just going to take a quick look over here where it says all changes saved in Drive. That's going to let me know that Google has saved all of my changes to this document. So it's really important that all of your changes are saved. Google will automatically save your document as long as you are connected to the internet, but you still want to be sure and make sure that it does say all changes saved. Once you see that, it is okay to go ahead and hit the turn in button. You do not want to click the share button right here. This is not how you submit your work. So this is a big no-no. Do not click share. Instead, what you're going to do is click this turn in button. So I'm going to click turn in. And once I do that, a screen is going to pop up and it says turn in your work. And I'm going to click turn it. Once it's done, what you will see here in this box right here, it'll say turned in. I'm submitting it late, so it says turned in late. If you want to revise your work before your teacher is grading it, you can click unsubmit and you'll have access to editing your document again, because once you click turn in, the editing is turned off. You can no longer edit that document until your teacher grades it. But if you have some changes that you want to make really quick, you can just click unsubmit and then you can edit your document again. So that is the way that you're going to submit your assignments once you are done with them. Hopefully you have a better understanding of how to check for your assignments and also how to turn in your work once you have completed them. That's all that I have for you guys today. See you next time.